Hi, this is Angie Godfrey. This tutorial is to help you learn how to score the stages of each domain once you've administered the gloss diagnostic. When we're learning how to administer the gloss, we're also learning how to annotate student thinking, understand the nuances between the stages, and making scoring decisions all at the same time. When we review the scoring sheets to identify each domain's stage, it can be difficult to tell what this overall stage should be. This example demonstrates how to score the domains if you have administered too many task cards. So that you can see better, I'm going to zoom into this area. So here we go. We're going to take a look at the first section, this first row here, and the decision point instructions on your cards say if any E5s are present, then you need to continue on. So we can see that the 4, the E5, and the 2-4, 224, is scored here. So we have one E5. We're going to go on to the next level. Okay, so let's look at this one. We have in our addition subtraction domain, we have that stage 4. Because this is already the lower stage, and I'm not sure if the student couldn't solve it or the teacher did not record what the student said, but at this point, we know that the teacher scored this as a 4. So task 6 did not need to be administered. So we're going to cross that out, not even look at that one right now, and go ahead and label this addition and subtraction stage as a 4. Now, looking at multiplication and division, we see that on task 4, skip counting, they scored this as an E5. However, if I look at the strategy card, it does say that skip counting is a stage 4. So if we look at the stage or early 5 description, I'm wondering if the teacher mixed up the repeated addition and wrote skip counting. So I'm not quite sure what this student did, but because skip counting is written down, 5, 10, 15, 20, then this should have been scored as stage 4. So at this point, we don't need the information that was gathered from task 7 because we're already going to score this a 4. Now, looking at the ratios and proportions domain, we see that the interviewer, the teacher, scored this on the lower end, the 2 to 4, which means we didn't need to assess task 8. So we would also score that as a 4. I know on here they give you the option to score it as a 2, 2, 4, but the materials for your intervention instructional pieces started at stage 4 for ratios and proportions. And since this child was able to make an array and come to an answer, we're going to score this as a stage 4. Remember, just because they get the right answer doesn't mean that it's automatically going to be scored as the higher one. It all depends on how they think about it. And here we go. Here is the final scoring from our analysis. All of them were stage 4. Have a great day.